Welcome back, artistic family, to Shannon Gibson Art and Designs, and of course to another adventure. It's been a while since I've done a cloud pour, and I think I've only ever done 2 cloud pours, and one of them wasn't intentional. So I will link that. It's my Dreamy cloud pour, and I'm hoping that we'll all be on cloud 9 again today. So you guys seen the color palette, because for those of you who are new, I do no longer put the details down in the description. They are here in the video for you. So here's what my plan is today, guys. Instead of laying my cloud mix, which I've given you guys and will also be in the video that I will link for you guys, instead of putting this in first, I want to layer a few colors first and kind of sandwich it in between and do that throughout the layers, because I want to see it more so throughout the pour and not just in the center. So you can do your cloud pours however you want. They don't have to necessarily be the center, in the center of your canvas. Still going to get that effect. And I want to do it that way because I absolutely love how my last one turned out. So the plan with the base is I have this really thin phthalo blue, extremely thin. Okay, you guys saw the consistency at the beginning. And then I'm using the black base as well. So the black's going to go down as a puddle. The blue is going to go over that. And then I'm going to end up pouring. And so I'm going to do a ring pour rather than a straight pour this time. And really excited to see how that turns out. Again, I have a 12 by 16 inch canvas. It is a testing canvas. I'm excited. I'm going to put some music on for you guys so you can jam something really relaxing. So let's go ahead and layer the cup. Okay guys, so as you can see, it looks different. Still a little bit too much paint. Tilted it off, gave it a torch, not happy with it. So to save some time, I made up another small cup. I made my paint a little bit thicker. So we're gonna start here again. I still have a lot of paint on here and it's wet, so I'm not gonna put too much. And again, I'm just going to use what is left over from here. And I didn't put as much in. Well, let's just see how it goes, guys. I'm going to do the straight pour this time because it's still not thick enough for the ring pour, but I'm liking that. But we'll see. So the paints are definitely thicker. Could have went a little thicker. And again, this is what happens, guys, when you use different paints that you didn't use before all together. I mean, I've used these paints, most of them several times, so I do know how they react, how they blend, but it is a different story when you're mixing a bunch of paints together. So just keep that in mind, mainly because I don't want anyone who's new to get discouraged, because things like that happen, and it's all part of the process. Right? You'll learn. Look at it like, look what I've learned now. So, I know that the aquamarine definitely has to be thicker than how you see the other paints, just because of its properties. I'm liking that ring around so far. Again, I really wish my paints were thicker. A bit thicker. Working out better. I have some weird reactions going on. I have to attribute this to the aquamarine because this is very different. It's looking like a yummy cloud storm happening. Ugh. I knew layering the blue over the black like that would be gorgeous. Definitely liking this one for sure. And again, you can see how ocean-like that aquamarine is, hence aquamarine. What a fitting name for that paint. It is a gorgeous color, but it can definitely take over. And like I said, it tends to work better when it's thicker. I'm loving that my phthalo blue has not disappeared. Oh yeah, this is definitely a storm happening. See all this iridescence, all the light, the colors underneath here. I'm just working the composition now. Just want to bring that down a bit to the edge. Yes. Oh, I'm loving it.